Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by heating 1 tablespoon oil in a pot over medium-high heat. Add the diced onion and sauté until translucent, about 4 minutes. Once the onion softens, add 2 cloves minced garlic and toast briefly to release aroma. Stir in 1 teaspoon chili powder and 1/2 teaspoon cumin so the spices bloom. Add 2 cans, 15 Oz, drained beans, and 1 can 14 Oz diced tomatoes, then pour 4 cups broth. Bring to a gentle simmer to marry flavors and start tenderizing beans. Once the pot is simmering, lower heat to maintain a gentle bubble and cook for 20 to 25 minutes so liquid reduces and flavors concentrate. Meanwhile, use a potato masher or immersion blender to mash about 1/3 of the beans. This thickens the soup and adds body while keeping chunkiness. Make sure to taste every 7–10 minutes and adjust. Add 1 teaspoon sugar to tame acidity or 1 tablespoon lime juice to brighten. Increase chili powder if you need more heat. You finish by seasoning carefully with salt and simmering 4 to 5 more minutes so the final seasoning melds. Taste and adjust. If the chili bean soup is too thin, simmer uncovered to reduce further or whisk in a small slurry of 1 tablespoon cornstarch and 2 tablespoons cold water to thicken. If it's too salty, dilute with extra broth or water and add a peeled, halved potato to absorb excess salt. Remove potato before serving. Serve with cilantro, cheese, or avocado and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.